All right, I bet you're here because you want to learn to replace a pump. And we're here to help you.
The first thing you got to do, you got to read the instruction manual that comes with the pump. There's many things in here that you will have to learn to do it properly. And one of the main things is how to connect your electricity.
And one of the things you got to know about these pumps is they're operating on high voltage and a lot of current. So you have to be careful about what you're doing with these pumps.
You've also got to learn that you have to prime the pump.
What do we have here, guys?
Oh, that's a good question. So we got a 1.5-inch street elbow, and we'll show you how this is all fitting together. Right now we have a 2-inch wellhead. We have to get that 2-inch wellhead down to an 1.5-inch inlet. Thanks so much for pointing that out.
No problem.
Hey, with all that said,
That's about time.
Let's get started.
let's get started.